How should we start these things?
I don't know, how have we been starting it?
I don't know. They're always gonna be cringy, but...
Yeah, so I guess it doesn't really matter.
Hey guys, welcome to the SlowBoyz vlog. We're over at my apartment right now. We got Hunter over here.
Hello.
We're all starting to get some food prepped. We've got some salmon in the oven and we're just getting ready to eat. And then we're gonna go to the SlowBoyz first meetup at the Windrock Garage. My name is Spencer and I'm gonna be taking you on our vlog today. We'll see what kind of turnout we get.
Oh yeah.
What are we looking to accomplish at this meetup?
To gain people to come join our little card group. Our little peoples.
Yeah, our little
Make
peoples.
our peoples grow bigger people.
Yeah, and then have more and more and more.
More people.
Hey Cam. We got some kale here, and we got some salmon in the oven. Hey Caleb.
Oh, hi.
We haven't seen you much on the vlogs yet.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. I'm not here all the time.
Just crazy, right?
That's a mean one.
You see green leaf, look, green leaf, good leaf. And then we have fish. And I think we're doing some with like, you know, cars or something later or something, I don't know.
Yeah, so we'll catch you guys as soon as we start driving out there to the meetup.
Are you, why?
So we just finished eating and we all got in our cars and we're gonna head over to Windrock right now. We'll catch you guys over there. All right, so we made it to the meet. We got Hunter and Caleb in the Mustang.
Hey.
And we got Cameron in the STI over here. What's up?
You want a pumpkin?
Got him.
Oh yeah, we picked it up from Chick-fil-A.
We were going to give it to someone?
Heck yeah.
Oh, my seatbelt's still on.
Tabitha, what'd you think of the stage 2 STI?
It's good, dude.
I didn't pull super hard, but I mean, it was there a little bit.
He hit a couple potholes, you know?
Yeah, it happens. But you know, my Olin coilovers.
It's fine. Yeah.
Okay, dude.
You going in circles or what? You going in circles or what? Oh, okay. Wait, what coilovers do you have?
Olin. OHLIN, they're Swedish.
There they are.
I mean, it's Swedish, so they have letters that we don't even have.
Swedish is the way to go. So is this your car?
Hang on.
No, dude, this is my grandma's car.
Dude, you're just rolling around in all these cars. It's sweet. What's up?
No, this is my car.
Oh, okay. How are you doing?
Hi.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Yo, what's up, guys?
What's up, dude?
The BMW.
Yes, sir.
Good to see you, bro.
Yeah, good to see you too.
Hey, did I meet you? Yeah, I did. Yeah. Good to see you guys. So yeah, this is our first meet. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars so far. We've got Ryan and Haley on their way. Hopefully we get a decent turnout for this first one. I'm not expecting a whole lot, but we'll see what we get. And then remind me your name again?
Jacob.
Jacob, okay.
And Spencer, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you show me around your Z?
Yeah, bro.
Have you done anything?
Nah,
You just
literally I
picked it up,
bought it.
right?
Yeah, not too long ago.
Did it have anything done to it?
Yeah, so it's got this little, I don't even know what exhaust.
Okay.
It's alright. It drones like crazy.
Is that a quick release?
Yeah, quick release. It rattles around. It's with a G.
Hey, Ryan.
Got a little intake.
Okay. Oh, an engine. Heck yeah.
Yeah. So that's nice. I need a new filter. My filter, I don't know why he routed it all the way down there, but it's all messed up.
Dude, like a few weeks ago, I saw a Scion XB with a filter mounted down in front of the wheel.
Yeah, dude, when I had my Subaru, it was right in front of the tire, and I'd go through a puddle, and I could hear it all going in, dude. It was so bad.
Cam knows about that.
Yeah, I know about that. I've been to Ron because of that.
Cool, man.
Yeah, bro. Big plans.
All right, so we got the Z that showed up, Jacob, and then we got Running the Mazda Speed here. My brother, for those of you who don't know.
SlowBoyz Pumpkin Official.
We should have written on it. Alright guys, so we're gonna be heading out of here. Alright, so we're all heading out of the meet and we're gonna head over to Montgomery and start cruising a little bit. See if I can get any footage of that. See you guys out there.
Was he in the back of the line?
Look at that bumper though. Get that bumper, dude.
Yeah, no, we were all so close to each other.
I beat you. Huh? I beat you.
Dude, I think I need brake fluid
I was
soon.
in fourth.
Yeah, you need a bad.
Hey!
What'd you tell him?
Alright, so we just finished up cruising up and down Montgomery and now we're here at Sonic.
Oh, there it is again. You just turned out. It's cold. My nipples are hard.
So hot.
You get run over by Z?
Yes, I did. You did, I got you.
All right, we're just gonna hang out for a little bit and pretty much just wrap it up. Isn't that right, Ryan? Isn't that right, Ryan?
We gotta go get goldfish for my little man.
But yeah,
Not right away or what?
how should we end, Ryan?